Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set FaceTime Banner Style to temporary or persistent on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down to Notification Style. And in here, tap on FaceTime. Then we scroll down to the Alerts section and then tap on Banner Style. From here, you have two options, temporary or persistent. Select one of the options. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, when you select persistent, and if you receive notification from FaceTime, it will always stay on your screen until you take action, such as tapping on the close button or open up the notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.